Assalamu alaikum and hi to everyone with lots of blessings and love for you all. Today's content is taken from Masnavi Maulana Room. What is the heart and what is its importance? Let's take start to learn. Don't look down on the heart even if it's not behaving well. Even in that shape, the heart is more precious than the teachings of exalted saints. The broken heart is where God Almighty looks. How lucky is the soul that mends the heart, for God consoling the heart that is broken into hundreds of pieces is better than going on pilgrimage. God's treasures are buried in ruined hearts. If you put on the belt of service and serve hearts like a slave or servant, the road of all secrets will open before your eyes. You want peace and glory, forget about your earthly honors and try to please the hearts. If you become a helper of hearts, springs of wisdom will flow from your heart. The water of life will run from your mouth like torrent. Your breath will become medicine like the breath of Jesus the Great. Be silent even if you have 200 tongues in each hair on your head. You would not be able to explain the heart.